Hi, everybody. It's Coach Abby.
Is it?
It's Coach Logan.
Is it?
Yep. Is it opposite day?
No, it's not opposite day. No.
It's us.
I'm probably out of frame like this.
Probably. Hey, we're the same height. You're probably still taller than me.
It's okay. All to ourselves. Anna's back. Whiteboard Wednesday questions.
Whiteboard Wednesday.
The questions are
Holiday themed.
thematic. Guest appearance. Anna, here's your microphone.
First question.
Hi.
Okay. This is Coach Hannah. I'm still Coach Abby.
Still?
Yeah, still. I remain Coach Abby through this video. Okay. Would you rather have to host everything or arrive mysteriously late for everything? Holiday related.
Arrive mysteriously late for all of it.
Okay. Snowy postcard vibes or sunburn in December?
Sunburn in December for sure.
Where would you get
Where am I
sunburn?
going?
Yeah.
I'm going to Hawaii.
Lexi.
Yeah, Lexi and Josh.
Mhm.
And me. They don't know yet.
Going in their suitcase. Eggnog or fruitcake?
What's the serving size?
Normal. Like big slab of fruitcake, whatever people serve. I've never had it before.
Eggnog.
No, gross. Seems like a no-brainer, but early night or one more drink type of night?
Oh, early night.
Okay, non-stop holiday music or any one song on constant repeat?
Non-stop holiday music.
Okay. Big family chaos or awkward, quiet peace?
Big family chaos.
Matching PJs or pretend you missed the memo?
Matching PJs.
Wait. What's on the PJs?
I don't know. It doesn't specify. Yeah.
Plaid.
With like,
Classic.
yeah, red and black, blue and black, green, yellow, red. Like what kind of plaid?
Christmas themed.
Yeah. A red plaid.
Nice. Traditions or nah?
I like traditions.
What type of traditions? What's your favorite? Do you have a favorite?
No, but I think that a certain amount of traditions can be grounding in the chaos.
Grounding in the big family chaos. New Year, it's either new you or the same you, but louder.
New you.
That's all of them. Big family chaos or awkward, quiet peace?
Big family chaos. Because
Wow.
nieces and nephews.
Oh.
They're hysterical, belligerent. They're like a drunk uncle, but they're only getting drunk on candy
Yeah.
and toys versus
And hype.
alcohol and resentment. So
Nice.
go kids. I love kids for the holidays. That's just like an amazing time. So keep that chaotic as possible.
Amazing.
Awkward silence.
Awkward, quiet peace. It's
Awkward.
not awkward silence. I did really like when we were kids, like the big family craziness. All my cousins and my grandparents on my dad's side of the family for holidays in general. Somewhere in the middle.
Pick an answer.
Somewhere in the middle. All right.
Typical Abby.
Would you rather host everything or arrive mysteriously late?
I liked the answer or not arrive at all.
Yeah, someone already put that on
Yeah.
there.
The mysteriously late, sure.
What's the mystery? I'd be late. I can't host everything. I'd be hosting it and then it'd be mysteriously late if I were hosting. Snowy postcard vibes or sunburn in December?
Sunburn in December
Hmm.
in Texas.
I would say specifically on the holiday of Christmas, snowy postcard vibes, but every other day around that would be sunburn in December. If I could go to a place where that could happen.
I bet you can get sunburnt wherever you can go get your snowy vibes too.
Yeah, true. Skiing.
Sundays.
Definitely. Yeah, I've done that. Yep. New year, new you, or same you, but louder?
Loud AF.
Say it again.
No, don't tell me what to do.
Okay.
That's me.
Yeah. I'd probably pick the same.
For the people in the back.
Decibel level would be the same. Non-stop holiday music or any single song, any one song on constant repeat.
Festival bangers, like
Yeah.
holiday festival bangers.
Non-stop holiday music. for sure.
EDM, trap, lo-fi, even a little bit of Mariah. Holiday Goats.
Yeah.
Mariah and Holiday Goats are pretty close.
Yeah, I'm going non-stop holiday music.
Thanks for thinking of that Skrillex
Since-
remix with the Goats.
Thanksgiving. Matching PJs or pretend you missed the memo? I don't know.
Matching pajamas. I don't know if I love anybody that much.
My thing, I don't know if I'd be able to pretend that I missed the memo. Is my problem. Like if it were happening, I would have to do it.
The closest I get to matching PJs is when you and I accidentally wear the same thing.
Yeah, like today we
Same
have the same
colorway.
shirt on.
Same colorway. Lululemon has a very finite seasonal amount of colorways.
That's true.
So, and they usually put the same ones on sale. Who doesn't love a good sale?
Nobody.
Frugality is the great equalizer.
Yeah.
Everyone says that.
Traditions or nah? I didn't answer the PJs.
Traditions, but new traditions. So I guess it's not a tradition if it's not going on. So nah, but yes, but no. I like new traditions.
I like a thoughtful tradition, not like a, well, this is the way it's always done, and we've never considered whether it's actually enjoyed by all parties involved. Traditions, like a new traditions.
Well, yeah, when a tradition feels like a law, yeah, it's kind of
Yeah,
weird.
that's not really. That doesn't feel like a tradition. Just feels like a rule.
Obligation.
Yeah.
Fine line between an obligation
Yeah.
and
How would you
tradition.
define tradition versus obligation?
One
Okay.
involves your family,
This
the other
one-
doesn't. Sorry, family. Just kidding. You guys know I don't care enough to feel obligated.
Nope.
Looking directly at you guys.
Okay, this one also seems really obvious. Early night or one more drink type of night?
One more drink of ginger ale zero before bed
Yeah.
with a small bag of 100-calorie popcorn.
Delicious.
Getting twisted.
What time? What time?
8:30, 9 o'clock.
Go to bed at 9, 9:30. Yeah. Early night for sure.
New Year's, who knows? Not even going to stay awake. Doesn't happen. I listen for fireworks, maybe, and like that was probably midnight. And it's kind of the only indication that it's the new year.
Yep.
Also, the fact that I woke up way louder.
Yeah. Wait, there's one more.
Oh, there is.
Eggnog or fruitcake? I guess you kind of.
Neither. They're both gross. Gross.
Pulling to me, eggnog for
Gross.
sure.
They're both terrible.
Unmatched. Eggnog's amazing.
No, I'll try eggnog. I'll try fruitcake, even if the texture's not weird. Is it weird texture?
I don't know. I've never had it.
What is it? I'll look it up.
Who eats fruitcake? Comment below if you eat
Do
fruitcake.
you make fruitcake? Is
Yeah,
it one of
how
those
does it
things you just
happen?
make it and then no one eats it and then just gets thrown away?
And then you just save it for the next year.
It's candy corn?
Yes.
It's candy corn of Christmas?
Every fruitcake is just being reused from year to year. I think that was all of them. Yep. There we go. Bye, everybody. Happy holidays.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock.